Hi, internet friends. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Lee here. I'm a vintage lover, thrifter. I have thrifted a lot vintage goodies like vintage leather jackets. This year I'm doing low buy. I'm doing more shop my closet, styling of shopping. Today is a project of shop my closet, and I'm going to show you how to make a statement piece more wearable, like this statement leather jacket. Since I bought this leather jacket, turquoise color with golden buttons and 80s big shoulder pads, I haven't worn once outside of a house. I think the main reason is these golden buttons make this jacket like a costume or like a very statement piece. So I tend not to grab it and wear it. If it's a party and that's or on the stage, that is an amazing jacket. But I'd like to wear this jacket in my daily life. I think another reason is because the wide shoulder pads make the shoulder already very wide, and the two lines of a golden button draw attention on this horizontal line. Maybe if I take these golden buttons, this jacket doesn't look so big anymore. So I decide to keep these shoulder pads, but I'm going to take off these golden buttons. Seam Ripper does magic. I'm going to show you. So first, in order to have a test, I will start here. It's such a good leather jacket and a soft lambskin. So look, this golden button, they all have their back buttons to fix. So I know if I take these buttons, there may be hole left in this leather. So I will start from bottom to top, because then bottom doesn't draw attention so much. I will start this on and then see how it looks like after I take off this button. Here is the result. I have taken 10 golden buttons off, except these two on the sleeve cuffs. And after taking these golden buttons off, this 80s leather jacket looks updated and smarter and more wearable. What do you think? Because of the leather, after taking the buttons off, there's small holes and a print from these buttons. I will just take time and let the leather bounce back to the original shape. So I'm going to wear this leather jacket and go out with my family, enjoying this piece I already have in my closet. Have a nice weekend. Bye.